In this problem, we notice that we have a square root equation. My square root is already isolated, so my first step is to square both sides. From there, I have 30 minus 2x. And on the right side of my equation, I need to write that binomial twice and use the distributive. So from here, I'm going to distribute, and that gives me x squared minus 3x plus 9, bringing down the left side of my equation. I notice, as in many of these problems, that I have a quadratic, or an x squared, so I am going to bring over my other two terms so I can factor. So adding 2x and subtracting 30, I end up with x squared minus 4x minus 21 equals 0. So I look for numbers that multiply to -4 or add up to -4, multiply to -21, and those numbers are -7 and +3. So when I solve this, I get 7 and -3. I know that in these types of problems where I square both sides, I always want to check to see if my answers work. So I store the 7 as x, and that works in the original equation. So if I plugged in 7 to the left side of my equation, I would get the square root of 30 minus 2 times 7, square root of 16, which is 4. On the other side, 7 minus 3 is 4, so that works. 7 is an answer. When I store a -3, I get the square root of 30 minus 2 times -3 equals -3 minus 3. On this side, I get the square root of 36, which is 6. On the other side, I get a -6, so that is not going to work, and my only answer is 7.